In this video, I'll show you how you can embed a PDF file in WordPress. So for this, we need WordPress, and we also need a website called Elfsight, and Elfsight is going to help us do this. So go to elfsight.com, and once you're on the website, click on widgets, and then right there you'll find file embed. You want to click on that, and then next up, click on create widget at the top right corner. And then right here, you can actually select a few templates. So they have a couple of templates available on the website, about, let's see, about 9, I think, yeah. So choose the one that you like. I'll just go with the standard one, and then click on continue with this template. Next up, you can actually add your PDF file. So I'm going to get rid of this one, and I'm going to click on add, and I'm going to upload. And I'm going to upload a PDF file. So click on select file right there, and then choose your PDF file. So let's see if I can actually find one. Shouldn't be too hard. Yes, there it is. Okay, so open your PDF file, and it will then show up right there. Now once you've done that, you want to click on join to install right there and sign up for an account. I already have an account, so I'm going to click on login right there. You then need to wait, and they will send you back to that page where you can click on save at the top right corner. There you go. Next up, you can choose a pricing plan. So they have a 14-day money-back guarantee, and you can choose the free one right here, or you can choose the all app pack, and that gives you access to all the widgets on this website, which is awesome. Now next up, choose the plan, and then click to copy this code. Then go to WordPress or any website builder, then add code, paste that in there. If I now hit preview, you'll find the PDF right here. So that's how you can do this. So if this video helps you out, leave a like, and then I'll see you next time.